right, y'all, so let's get right into this video and into one of my most favorite looks yet. So just starting off with adding a little bit of Lotta Body moisturizer to my hair. And if you look in the top left corner, I'm just giving you guys a quick rundown of everything that you'll receive in your wig box from Kinkistry, including a care card with helpful tips. So first, I'm going to be using my combo that I've been using for a while now, this Gorilla Snot paired with my Legume Jam from Goldwell, and I will link everything that I'm using as well as the unit that I'm wearing today down below in the description box. So if you have any questions, make sure you look there first, and then of course comment down below and I'll do my best to answer you. So after I've brushed my hair back, I'm just going to take a stocking cap and just pop that on just so it doesn't revert and it's kind of as straight as possible. Next, I'm using my Goldwell right on the very edges. Like I literally use this on my little bitty baby hair and it stays locked in place the entire day, you guys. No joke. This is one of my most favorite products of 2020. And I'm just doing a little bit of something on my edges, y'all. I just felt like being a little extra today, so that's what I'm doing here. And again, I'm just gonna keep moving my stocking cap as needed just to hold my edges in place. This has been working very well for me. Many of you have asked me my favorite edge control, and I'll list a few down below that I really like. However, I've realized that pairing my Legume Jam, like the blue gel that I just used, on top of whatever edge control I'm using really gives me the strongest hold versus just using an edge control by itself. So next, I'm just gonna lay my edges down with a scarf, and then let's get into this headband wig. Y'all, this is one of my most favorite wigs ever. It does come with, of course, this Velcro strap, a really soft satin band for your edges, and then you've got about 4 combs on the inside so that it stays in place. But the reason why I really like this wig is because of the hair. The hair was just so on point for me and my texture. So this is pretty much the easiest wig install you will ever do. All you have to do is just put the wig on your head, take the combs and push them in, of course, so that they stay. So you're gonna do that 3 times, 2 on the side and 1 in the middle. And don't forget the back as well. And then next, you're just gonna take both ends of that satin band and just hook the Velcros together. And it's really good Velcro. It stays, it won't come undone or anything like that. And this is what you are working with. You could literally just leave the house like this. I honestly have no complaints on this unit so far. It's super thick, as you can see. And one thing I really want to point out as well is that it fit really good. It didn't give me an awkward look. I don't know how to explain it unless you've worn headband wigs, but they have kind of been fitting a little bit awkward on my head. And this one just fell right. Like the wefts were right. Like everything was lined up perfectly. The construction of a unit of a wig is just as important as, you know, the hair and the hairline and everything else that goes into it. And they did a really good job with this one. So right here, I'm just taking my Baby Bliss flat iron, and I think I have it on 400 degrees, and I only did like 1 pass, and I did large sections, as you can see, using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I just wanted to see how it took to heat. Keep in mind, you don't need heat on this hair. You don't have to use heat. You don't need it. I'm just experimenting for you guys, and it did flatten it out just a bit, but keep in mind as well, the more you use heat on this hair, it may knock out those kinks, which completely defeats the purpose of this particular wig. So this is how we are looking, y'all, and I am in love with it. It has the right luster, the right shine, the right texture, the right everything. So you could just wear the hair just like this. And here is the back. I believe this is 22 inches, but I will put everything down below in the description box just in case I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's either 20 or 22 inches long. It's the perfect length and it looks amazing from the back as well. And next, just showing you how it would look if you added a headband on top of the black part, which is another option. Still super cute, y'all. So next, just showing you how it looks with a high ponytail. This wig is very easy to throw up in a ponytail if need be. Great for working out, or if you just don't feel like having any hair on your neck or anything like that, being bothered for the day. Still looks really natural. And then just twisting it up in a bun just to show you how it looks. I'm not the biggest fan of putting headband wigs into a bun because of that hump back there, but either way, if you had a Zoom call or something, at least you look good from the front. So next, just going into a different style, and probably one of my most favorite styles that I've done with wearing a headband wig, and that is this really cute half up, half down. Y'all, I felt like I was like in the 90s all over again. I absolutely love this style because I wore my hair like this all the time back in the day. And here's another really cute style as well, a little bit more fun. And here I'm just gonna take each section, each little ponytail, and just twist it all the way around and create these cute little space buns. So my last style is just two simple cornrows, which this is actually one of my favorite styles as well. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed all the styles that I created, just showing you a little bit of versatility. And I was very happy to show you guys a different texture offered from Kinkistry, you know, if you want to support a Black owned brand. So I'll put everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment and like this video and also share. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.